No, I need the darkness. Well, I don't need the darkness. All right, you fat pieces of shit. Today, I'm hanging out with two of my friends, which you probably know. I got myself some 7-Eleven Philly cheesesteak pizza. It's got peppers, cheese, a little Philly steak. Pretty epic. Colton says it's pretty good. Without further ado, I'm not going to make this a very long one because it's 10:57. Y'all know the rules. One bite. Cheers. That's pretty good. I got a hot beef injection. You like that? Yeah.
What, you doing it again?
Well, dude, I have to do the full thing. Snapchat doesn't just keep fucking recording. I've addressed this multiple times. If you watched my fucking videos.
You want to eat the whole piece of pizza?
No, maybe, probably. Out of, like, pizza, I give this 5 nights at Freddy's. And that's about all I can do.